Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product designed for a superior shaving experience, the Panasonic Electric Razor for men, specifically the ARC6 Six-Blade Electric Razor. If you're on the hunt for an advanced electric shaver that promises both precision and comfort, this could be the one to add to your grooming routine. Let's take a closer look at what makes this shaver stand out and if it truly lives up to its claims. The Panasonic ARC6 ES LS9AK is a high-performance electric razor designed to tackle thick beards and provide a super smooth shave. Featuring 6 blades made from hypoallergenic stainless steel, this razor is crafted with Japanese engineering to offer an ultra-premium shaving experience. It uses cutting-edge maglev technology, which delivers 84,000 cross-cutting actions per minute, making quick work of facial hair. The razor's head is designed to move in 22 independent directions, which helps ensure that it stays close to your skin, even on tricky contours. One of the standout features of this razor is its responsive beard sensor, which adjusts the power output based on the density of your facial hair. This means fewer strokes, less irritation, and a more personalized shave, whether you're sporting a full beard or just a few days of growth. When it comes to the overall design, the Panasonic ARC6 exudes luxury with its ergonomic, matte black finish. It feels solid yet lightweight in your hand, offering a comfortable grip. Plus, it's not just for dry shaves. This razor is fully waterproof, so you can shave wet or dry and rinse it under running water for easy cleaning. Speaking of cleaning, the included charging and cleaning station ensures that the razor stays sanitized and ready for your next shave, all while looking sleek on your bathroom counter. Now let's talk about how it performs in real-world use. I found this razor to be impressively effective, especially for thicker beards. The 6 blades deliver a smooth, close shave without feeling harsh on the skin. The maglev technology does an excellent job of providing powerful yet flexible cutting action, which means it glides easily over the skin, even when shaving tricky areas like under the jawline. The responsive beard sensor is a game changer, adapting to the different areas of my face and reducing the risk of irritation, which is key if you have sensitive skin. In terms of usability, the ARC6 is easy to incorporate into your routine. Whether you're using it for a quick dry shave or taking your time for a wet shave in the shower, it performs seamlessly. The only downside I noticed is that the shaver is slightly on the larger side, so it might feel a bit bulky for those with smaller hands. However, the ergonomic design helps to balance this out to some extent. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. The pros include the excellent shaving performance, the innovative technology that adapts to your beard's density, and the luxurious design. The cleaning and charging station is a great addition, making maintenance easy and keeping the shaver hygienic. On the flip side, the size might be a challenge for some users, and the price point could be a bit high for those looking for a more budget-friendly option. However, given the technology and premium features, the price is somewhat justifiable for those who prioritize a top-tier shaving experience. When comparing it to similar high-end electric shavers on the market, the Panasonic ARC6 stands out due to its 6 blades and the advanced maglev technology. Other shavers in this range, like those from Braun or Philips, may offer solid performance, but they don't quite match the unique combination of features that the ARC6 offers. The shaving performance is consistently smoother, and the shaving head's flexibility adds to its ease of use. As for build quality, the Panasonic ARC6 feels sturdy and well-constructed. It's made to last and should remain in great condition over time with proper care. The included cleaning station is also a nice touch for preserving the shaver's functionality. In terms of value for money, while the Panasonic ARC6 is on the pricier side, I think it's worth the investment for users who want a high-performance, luxury shaving experience. If you're looking for something that offers incredible precision and convenience, this razor hits the mark. If you're after more affordable alternatives, the Braun Series 7 or 9 might be worth considering. They offer a similar level of performance, although they come with fewer features and are priced a little lower. The Philips Norelco 9000 series is also a good competitor with its strong motor and flexible head, though it lacks the same level of cutting action. To sum it all up, The Panasonic ARC6 Electric Razor is a fantastic choice for those who value cutting-edge technology, a premium design, and a high-quality shave. It delivers on its promise of an incredibly close shave with minimal irritation, thanks to its 6 blades and responsive beard sensor. The sleek design and cleaning station are the cherries on top, making it a standout option for anyone looking to elevate their shaving routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.